Hey, good morning. Last night I started reading through a book that we had been reading at class right before this break began. Do you guys remember this book, Little Kid's First Big Book of Birds? This book has some wonderful pictures in it, lots of information, lots of facts. We obviously, hopefully, you guys remember that these books that we were reading, they are informational text, so they are nonfiction because they're teaching us something. They're telling us factual information. And as I was looking through the book last night, I started looking at the pages that was talking about cardinals. And cardinals are my favorite bird. Of all the birds, I just love cardinals. We see a lot of cardinals around here. That is actually our state bird. And I think they're really pretty. I can always remember sitting at my grandmother's house when I was a kid, and she would feed the birds. She had a bird feeder out in the front of her yard, and she had a couple bird feeders in the backyard. But I can remember she had a big picture window in her living room, and we would sit on her sofa, and you could see birds flying around, always coming to get bird seed. And she would have lots of robins and cardinals. But I always thought the cardinals were really pretty, especially in the wintertime if you see that bright red cardinal. We talked about in class, I know that the female cardinals are not as brightly colored as the male cardinals. Okay, this picture here shows a female cardinal right here, and this would be the male cardinal, which is more brightly colored. And we know that that's so that it protects the bird, so that when the female cardinal is laying eggs or sitting on the eggs, she is protected because she blends in with her surroundings. She blends in with the tree and the leaves and stuff and the brown, but so that predators do not see her and get her. So that's the reason for the different colors of the feathers. So I want to give you a challenge today. I just told you that, cardinals are my favorite birds, and I want to know what is your favorite bird. You can comment in the section below this video on Facebook there and let me know what is your favorite bird and tell me a couple facts about that bird, things that you've learned about that bird. And it does not have to be a bird that was in our book or that we had put on our chart in class. There are lots of different types of birds out there, and it could be any type of bird that you would like to write about. Okay, and you can do more research on this. Take this as a opportunity. Ask your parents if you can do some more research. Maybe you've got bird books at home. Maybe you can go on the internet and find some more information about your favorite type of bird. All right, guys. I look forward to seeing your responses. Have a great day.